Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about x equals to u squared in here. Because I want to cancel about the square root, that's why I need to use about this one. Now we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u square, we have 2u du. So about this one, I will put in here and here. The x we change by this one. So this one we have u. This one we have u. Number 2 I will put in here. U multiplied by u and negative number 1. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to u plus 1 because we have u. So I will put number 1 go to the left. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. This one, that is about the constant. So you got about 0 in here. This one, we have 1 and 1. So we have dt equals to du. So this one we change by t. U, that is about this one. Du we change by dt. So we need to expand this one. We need to change the sign of this one. So negative 2t, negative t, we have negative 3t. 1 plus 1 is about 2. So t squared divided by t, we have t. T divided by t, we have 1. 2 divided by t, we keep the same. Next, the integration of t, we have t squared over 2. The integration of number 3, we have 3t. The integration of this one, we have number 2 ln of the absolute value of t. And then I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. About u, that is about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides. Now we need to change the square root of x for t or for u, sorry. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.